Public health is the way that we as a society keep each other healthy and safe. So that includes everything from the food that we eat to protecting ourselves from infectious diseases. And it's done at the population level. The Public Health Academy is a student success program focused on providing students with additional research and public health professional skills, as well as it's a pipeline into undergraduate work in public health at the 4-year level and also into public health professions. The President's Fund has been able to support the program and is establishing student stipends for those scholars who are participating in the Public Health Academy. And the reason this is important is because a lot of them don't have the time that's required to get those additional skills that come from participating in an internship or participating in an enrichment program. So to be able to give them financial support while they gain these skills is beneficial to them both academically and professionally and financially.
The cohort programs, the big three, ASAP, the Learning Academy, College Discovery. A student who's in one of those programs has a 23% higher retention rate year over year than a BMCC student who is not in one of those programs. So we're merging this cohort level support with faculty. Those relationships that the faculty have and that I have and that my advisors have with the Career Center, with the Learning Center, with other faculty, with student peer leaders become super important because we can find those people and we can figure out ways to connect students no matter where they are, virtual, in person, no matter what, with those resources.
We have partnered with Hunter College and Columbia University Teachers College to offer a pipeline to our students. The aim is not just to educate our students to get an associate's degree, we want them to continue on. To that aspect, if the student has met the minimum requirements to get into Hunter College, they are guaranteed admissions into Hunter to pursue their Bachelor's of Public Health. If they meet the requirements for Teachers College, the minimum academic requirements, they're guaranteed admissions into Teachers College to get a Master's of Health Education. In that partnership, they have also earmarked one scholarship per academic year for an individual that has completed and continued on from our program to Hunter and to TC. They will pay for them to continue and get their Master's.
With regard to health, there is always an educational component where people are not really aware of what's causing poor health or aware of how to achieve good health. And so there's many opportunities for the Public Health Academy students to get involved in health promotion campaigns. And those campaigns focus on the messaging. Did you know this is good for you? Or did you know this is bad for you and should be avoided? And then the other part of public health is trying to motivate people to change their behaviors, to have healthy behaviors, a healthy diet, healthy exercise routines, or avoiding substance abuse or smoking and learning, optimal coping mechanisms. And so even through recreation and socialization, those are all really important contributions to public health. And so community agencies have to also have that in the formula for how to achieve good health for their residents.
COVID-19 has shown just how important it is for us to have a fully functioning public health workforce. It also has shown us just how important it is to have a public health literate society. Being able to educate and train public health professionals who are ethnically and racially diverse, who are able to educate others in their communities about public health issues is essential if we really want to have a public health literate society.